Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute tunnel card. I found the directions on Pinterest, updated them a little bit, and created a Design Space file that I'm going to share. In Design Space, for the main part, you'll see that it wants you to have larger than 12-inch paper. Well, you can just trick Design Space. Tell it it's 12-inch. Just put this down a tad below. It's 11.75. So just put it a little bit below the top and then it will cut just fine. This is the base. And this is how we're going to put it together. You have the bottom, and then you have the three that will go on pieces. So first of all, let's just glue down. This is the very back of your card. Just the top and bottom is what's important here. Get them lined up. There we go. Okay, now your biggest circle is going to butt up right to the score line here. So you're going to get it right next to it. I use liquid glue. You could use a tape runner if you want, but liquid glue is much more forgiving if you need to move it. So I'm going to line this up right at the score line. What's important is to have the top and bottom line up too. Let's see how I did there. Okay, that's good. That's off just a little bit. So let's see, this is why I like liquid glue. There we go. That's better. Once you have the first one, the next two are going to go very easily. Okay, so I have that one. Then I take the next circle, get my liquid glue on there, and then put it right next to the one you already put down. See how I have those right next to each other? Okay. That's your next color. And then your third one, the exact same way. Get your liquid glue on there. I use art glitter glue, and that's what I use for most of my projects. And you can either get it, I get it from maymaymadeit.com, or Amazon sells it as well. And just go right up the previous one. There you go. I always like to take my brayer and make sure I have it down really well. Okay, then what you do, all you do is you bring it over and see how these three now are coming down like that? You're just going to turn it over and glue them down. So put glue on each of these three. All you're going to do is fold this over. Once again, I like to brayer it. It's nice and flat. It is. And just make sure, so you can, it folds down this way. And it folds down this way. Okay. Then the next step is just to take and glue this on top of that. there you have it. See how it's pretty even like that. Now, if you want to put the front on, and you don't need the front, this would have been just great just like that. You know, you can decorate that all up, and you really wouldn't have needed the cover. But I like to do covers. I like fancy. So what I did, this is in your file. This is just the cover. It just gets glued on like that. And then you can put a front and decorate it, and inside and decorate it, but you don't really need any of that. When I did my prototypes of this, the first one, see, the front was way up too far, so I didn't like that one. My second prototype, I had it back too far. Then the third one was just right, and I have an even amount between each of the circles. So hope you like the Design Space file. Here it is. Thanks for watching.